What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel Coupon Box, and here I am going to share the coupon code for pizzahut.com. You can use this coupon code in UK and US both. So how you can use it? Simply add this coupon code while order in checkout page. That's it. You need to use this coupon code on a checkout page, and here I am going to share 4 coupon code which is working right now in UK and US. And if it is working for you, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, because it takes time to find working coupon code. So here I am going to share 4 coupon code where you will get 10, 15, 20% discount, and this all coupon code works under the certain terms and condition. You can see it from the screen. I'll flash the terms and condition how you can apply this coupon code in what criteria. So here is a 4 coupon code which is working right now, and if it is working, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So here is a 4 coupon.